Hello everybody. So, as you can see, the bike is under a protective dust cover. And you might be asking yourself, well, why is it under a dust cover? Well, that's because I've been kind of busy with another project that involves woodworking, and that created a lot of sawdust and fine sanding dust, and I didn't want that all over the bike, although I'm sure that some of it did get on the bike. But you may be wondering, so you haven't made a video for a while. What's going on? What have you been doing? Well, I'm going to show you. As you can see, the bike is still there waiting to be completed, and I'll get back to that in a couple of days. But let's take a walk. We're going outside here. And certain parts are kind of still a work in progress. And we go over here. We turn on the light, and we have kind of a video production studio. And this is all hand laid. The floor that's in it is all hand laid. The walls are actually Swedish flooring that a fella had available on Craigslist. And up above, you get storage up above. The ceiling that I put in is actually milled down fence boards. And lots of nice features. The desktop looks really nice. It's all, again, it kind of mimics the floor. One of my suppliers that I use quite frequently, who has a company called Pro Wheels, they get these products in on these pallets from India. And these pallets are made out of mahogany. And so this has got a lot of Indian mahogany in it. And like here, I did a little bit of a, kind of a maybe dream catcher kind of thing. Something or other. Looks pretty nice. And the same thing with the floor. I did the floor with multiple types of wood. And the supports on either end, they are also made out of that Indian mahogany. And there's the neighbor's dog coming in and checking out the shed. And so, anyway, the other half of this shed, as you can see, is still a shed. But that is going to change. Now, I did not make a video or any videos of creating this studio. I will, however, be making videos when I do the other half. It was just, I got caught up in it, and then by the time that I got around to thinking about doing a video for it, it was so far along in the process that I just didn't do it. But anyway, so that is what I have been doing because I've been getting some comments and been getting contacted by several subscribers asking me, hey, where's the videos? And I assure you, I will be getting back to the bike. But as you can see, it's under wraps. Ooh, that's punny. Anyway, so that's my little update of what I've been doing. Hope you enjoyed it, and the bike build videos will be coming back in, I'd say, the next day or two. Alright? That's my video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.
Today's episode is brought to you by those innovative felines at Black Cat Production.